Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss 6 modern English words for daily conversation, so don't forget to watch. Today's lesson is regarding to English vocabulary. It's important to know the vocabulary when we are writing sentences. Similarly, the more vocabulary you have, the more you need to know the English language. So let's get started. First word is appliance. Appliance definition is a device or piece of equipment designed to perform a specific task, typically a domestic one. Electrical and gas appliance. Appliance, what does it mean in Urdu? Zariya, Ala, Wasila, Rasta, Auzar, Asbab, Saman, Auzar. And appliance is a noun, device, apparatus. And appliance sentences: vacuum cleaner is a household appliance. Second word is factor. Factor word definition is a circumstances, fact or influence that contributes to a result or and it meaning in it means ajza, juz, tukda, sabab, natija khes, answer, वाक़िया, हकीकत. और factor meaning in English: cause, agent, broker, money lender, number which is multiplied with another to produce a given product. It is used in mathematics. When it is used as a verb, it means separate into factors in mathematics. And the sentence of the word factor is: look for the common factor in all these cases. Third word is crucial, and crucial is an adjective, and definition of crucial is decisive or critical, especially in the success or failure of something. क्रूशल का उर्दू में मीनिंग है फैसला कुन, कतई, दो टोक, बहुत अहम. और इसका सेंटेंस हम इस तरह से बना सकते हैं: winning this contract is crucial to the success of the company. Fourth word is clamp. Clamp definition is a brass band or clamps used for tightening or holding things together. Clamp meaning is girift, shikanja, and clamp is used in a sentence like a mobile phone was clamped to her ear. Fifth word is assert. Assert definition is state or state a fact or belief confidently and forcefully. Assert meaning in Urdu यकीनन बयान करना, इजहार करना, इसरार करना, दावा करना, यकीनन बयान करना, इसरार करना, हक जताना, दावे से कहना, and assert meaning in English state, declare, insist on. Assert is used as a verb and it is used in a sentence like she continued to assert that she was innocent. Sixth word is stack, and stack definition is a pile of objects, typically one that is neatly arranged. And stack is also used as a noun, and meaning in Urdu ढेर, किसी चीज़ का ढेर, गट्ठा, अंबार, and stack is also used as a stack is also used in a sentence. He added his tray to the stack. Now we are going to discuss synonym of the given words, and we should know what is the meaning of synonym. Synonym means same words और मुतरादिफ अल्फाज जिनके मायने. Appliance, first word is appliance. Appliance synonym is saving device, tool, gadget. Second is factor. Factor synonym is component. Third is crucial. Crucial synonym is essential. Fourth, clamp. Clamp synonym is fix. Fifth is assert. Assert synonym is declare. Sixth is stack. Stack synonym is heap.